guys, it's your girl Young SLB, and today I'm showing you guys how I did this 5 to 10 minute quick and easy protective style that will last me at least 3 to 5 days. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so starting off with freshly washed and detangled hair, I'm going to go ahead and wet the section that I'm going to be working with so that it can absorb the product a little bit better. And I'm first going to be going in with this Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner by Shea Moisture. I like to take a really good amount of that and work it through the entire one half of my head with extra focus on the ends to make sure that they're staying really moisturized while in this protective style. Now going in with my Strengthen and Restore Lock and Braid Butter by Shea Moisture, I'm going to be taking a good amount of that and applying it mostly to my crown because this is the area that's going to be exposed for the protective style, so I want to make sure that it's as slick as possible, and I like to use a Tangle teaser to work out any kinks and bumps to make sure that it's the smoothest base I can get. So now it's time to start the flat twist. So I'm going to be taking a piece of hair in the front and splitting that into two, and then I'm going to take one piece and wrap it over the other, going in a clockwise direction away from my face, and I'm going to do that for about 3 passes, just a regular twist, before I start to go in with the flat twist, where I will be grabbing hair before I put the piece over the next piece. So I hope I'm explaining that right, but as you guys can see, I'm grabbing hair before I continue with the pass for the twist. So while you're doing this process, you really want to take your time and make sure that the hair is smoothed out before you continue with the twisting, because this will allow for a lot cleaner look. And if you don't take your time or smooth out the hair, you will definitely see bumps in your end result, and we don't want that. So just take your time. If you mess up, feel free to start over. It doesn't take too long. But as you can see, I'm just going to continue this entire twisting process through the entire length of my hair until I have no more hair left to grab, and then it will go back to just being a regular twist. After I've run out of hair to grab, before I continue with the twist, I like to go ahead and detangle those sections just so that it's a seamless twist all the way through. And then as you can see, I'm twisting all the way down, and I will be securing that with a rubber band. So feel free to stop here, but I like to continue the twist and kind of make it into a bantu knot and wrap the hair around itself, going in the same direction that I twisted in, and this will just seal the ends and keep your ends protected, and there won't be any interference with the ends of your hair. So then I like to go ahead and secure that with a rubber band. So once I've secured the hair, that's basically the end of the style. Now you can go ahead and lay your edges. I definitely forgot to insert a clip of me doing that, but feel free to do that to clean up the look. But this is the final result. As you can see, my hair is super moisturized. This will be a great protective style to last me through the week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.